What's up, I'm Rudy, and today I'm going to teach you how to create background switcher with RTMKit Pro. But first of all, you need to install RTMKit in your plugin, and you need to upgrade it RTMKit to RTMKit Pro with personal lifetime $59, buy once use lifetime one website, and professional lifetime $99, 10 website, and unlimited lifetime $249 for 100 website. Well, you can go to romtech.net plugin RTMKit, and let's get started. Create a page, and after that the Elementor, and you can create grid. After create grid, you can add element and scroll down until you found RTMKit Pro, and there is background switcher, and drag and drop. In there you can see that beautiful design. You can change the background. You can choose how much you want, 6 or 3 for the layout, or 4. You can add 5 as well, or 3. Can add 4. Can choose HTML divider, how big it is divider, and divider color. You can show the number. Here's the number, perfect number. You can change the text one by one here. Title, description, and choose the image like this one. And for the setting, you can show it on hover or not, the title, or you can show description as well, and you can show a few more as well, and you can turn on as well. For the style, you can change minimum height, how high you want, border ratios, background type. For the link, you can choose a background blur as well. Yes, the background blur. To change this image, you can go to here. You can change in here. You can change the image here. And after links, few more, you can choose the alignment, icon size, how big the icon, the spacing, and border ratios as well. Yeah, thank you. If you want to have a background switcher, you can install it RTMKit and upgrade to the RTMKit Pro. Thanks. Install it.